Hey up everybody, my name's Joshua Morrison, director of Johnny Moz's Lessons in Confidence. Now, when I started this YouTube channel, I just acquired this camera, right? This is a Canon FS100 digital handycam camcorder type thing, right? I got it for £40 and it's one of my favourite ever cameras I've ever used, right? I've used it in professional looking films, as a side camera, I've used it for, you know, just music video stuff. I like taking it around and just like if I'm going to hang out with people, you know, I could just do that, you know, that kind of thing. It was fantastic, and I would take it all over the place, and I filmed so much good stuff with it. It captured some of the first moments that me and my girlfriend had together. We went on a date to Kew Gardens, and I took this camera with me. And I remember my mum saying, you know, don't just go thinking you're going to get a load of footage. Don't just. She's not dating a camera. She's trying to date you. And I was like, yeah, don't worry. I'm not that bad. And so I didn't get much footage. I only got this. Yeah, it's like a violin or something. Damn. Oh, there's someone coming out. Oh, they've gone again. Oh no, they're there again. I can't even see him in real life.
No, I can't. Where are you pointed?
Oh yeah. Okay, that's helped ground me. I can see her.
Okay, we can see her. But where is the wheelie?
I saw a light.
I saw something that didn't look like flesh.
And that clip, you know, really means the world to me. It's one of my favourite clips I've ever gotten. You know, it's not like the biggest thing ever or the most interesting, significant, you know, piece of history or anything like that in terms of the world, but I find it just fascinating and really, really, you know, beautiful. And this camera got it. This camera captured that. It captured my first moments, you know, starting this YouTube channel. It's captured so many different things. And in May of this year, I was going to see a mate, right? I was going to see a mate, and yeah, I'm just recording a video. No.
Did you record us?
No, you're just walking past it. It's just getting me.
No, was it recording us?
Yes.
Us. Was it recording?
It's recording me.
But we were passing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but are we on the video?
Probably, I don't know.
Then delete the video.
No.
What do you mean now? Delete the video.
Okay, fine, I'll delete the video. Hey. Excuse me.
Delete the video. We don't want to be in a video.
Well, you're in a public space.
Yeah, public space, but we're walking.
Yeah,
You can't just put a camera there.
Yes, I can.
No, you can't.
Yes, I can.
You can't.
I can.
Well, don't make me break your camera.
You're not going to break my camera.
I am going to break your camera.
You're not going to break my camera. You're in a public space, right? Deal with it.
It's not your space, you dumb shit.
Yeah, it's not. It's a shared space. You're free to walk and I'm free to film. Okay?
Don't make me break your camera, bitch.
Yeah, try break my fucking camera.
Shut up, idiot.
Is this how you want to talk in front of your children?
Yeah, I am.
Is that? Yeah.
What are you going to do?
I'm still recording. Yeah? Fuck off. Let's find a different location. Wow, she's a fucking idiot. She doesn't know how to turn the camera off. Touching my camera and shit. Swearing at me. That's the first time that's ever happened. Who the fuck does she think she is? I mean, I'm lucky that it's just some midgety fucking woman. If it was like a big burly bloke, I would have had to give in. Let's go here. I'm in a public space. I know my rights. I'm allowed to do this. That's the law. That's simple. Right. Sorry about that. That's kind of frazzled me. I was talking about something sentimental there. Yeah. That was so weird. Like, what the fuck was that? She has no idea that I've got 50,000 subscribers that this is going to be presented to, does she? That's fucking hilarious. Oh, God. Right, so where were we? We were with the camera, right? This has captured so much beautiful stuff. It's captured so much, that's meant so much to me. And it's a really good camera for just taking around to little events. It's really good for, just putting in your pocket and going out with your friends, filming little bits, And I filmed so much of it. If I was going on a bus somewhere, it was fun to just sort of do that through the window. And it has a 37x optical zoom. So I would just enjoy doing a bit of that, a bit of that. And I just got a kick out of it. I really enjoyed it, right? And yeah, I filmed a lot of really fascinating stuff. And I want to use some of it in something. I plan on making some music videos or something with it all. And I want to get another one of these cameras. But at the moment, I've had a look around and they're more expensive now than when I got them. I bought mine for £40 and all the ones I'm seeing on eBay and stuff go for like £70, £80, and I just think I'm not paying that much for a crappy little camera. And realistically, I probably overpaid by paying about £40. I want something just nice and cheap and simple. So if anyone has any suggestions, I'd love to hear your suggestions and your thoughts on what I should get. It doesn't have to be Canon. It does have to have a SD card slot, and I'd like it to have an optical zoom. And ideally, I'd like it to I'd like to be able to record like that. Like a selfie type thing, and be able to see my whole face like that, right? Because if I do it with this, it's slightly too close. It's slightly too close, right? Yeah. I broke this camera in 2025 running for the train. It fell out of my pocket, and I dashed down there, and I grabbed it, and I missed my train, and there was a big crack on this. And I thought, oh no. And then I thought, maybe it's just the screen that's broken, but the recorder will still work. So I recorded some footage, and I got back home, put it on the computer, and no, the recorder is fucked as well. So it's gone. It doesn't work at all. It's kaput, gone. So I don't even know why I'm keeping it anymore. I really don't know why I'm keeping it. I really don't know. It's just sad, in my opinion. That's just all I think. It's just sad. And I miss the camera. I want to get another one. I went to see a guy called Glink. Right? He's a YouTuber. He's made some good videos. And we met up, and he had a similar sort of thing to this. It was Canon. I think it was a mini DV. And it was a bit larger than this. Not huge, but it was still portable. It still sort of fit in the pocket, but it was a bit bigger than this. And it had a screw-on mount thing here, and he had a fisheye zoom lens thing that you could put on it, right? And when he recorded with it, it made this really dreamy circular effect on the edges. I don't know what that was called, but it looked so gorgeous. It was such a beautiful thing. And I'd love to get something like that, because I think that would probably do me a bit better. I'd like something that had a bit more stability to it. The stabilization on this wasn't perfect, it was all right. But I'd like something a bit larger, a little bit more professional, but still has that charm that this had. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna cut away to a load of old footage that I got with this camera as a bit of an in memoriam to my Canon FS100 that I miss so dearly. And every day I wish, why did I break it? Why was I such a fucking idiot running for the train, keeping it in that pocket? Why did I do that? I shouldn't have kept it in such a precarious situation. I need to take better care of my equipment. I don't know why I don't. And this is my lesson for it, the fact that I fucked this thing up. And it's just sad, I mean, those fucking women, they could have chucked my camera into the middle of the street and broken this one as well. And then what? I'd have no cameras at that point. I'd have to film everything on my Canon 6D, which I can't tell if that's recording. So whenever I've tried recording a Johnny Mozza video with it, it's always turned out it stopped recording midway through. So those women could have destroyed my channel. Fucking arseholes they were. Jesus. Anyway, here's my in memoriam of my camera. We're gonna play some sad music, and we're just gonna show you some good footage from it that means a lot to me. So yeah, thank you very much everybody. Have a good rest of the day, and enjoy the show.